How to buy jailstool token on WEEX. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefit. Check the amount description. So as you can see, before going and buy this token on WEEX, make sure you have an account on WEEX. If you don't have an account on WEEX, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on WEEX and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on WEEX and fund it with some USDT, what you need to do, just copy the symbol of the token first. Copy it. Now go on your WEEX account, click here on search. Now paste this symbol of the token. So after you find this pair, click on it. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see here, click on buy here. I will just skip this window. Now, as you can see, you have the open and close. Click on open to be able to buy this token. So after that, if you select the limits, you can here type how much you want to buy of that token. So as you can see here, you will be able to see here this option to buy this token. So after that, click on open long and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So if you select the market, you can drag this to see how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your that you have on your account. But first, click here and select the USDT to be able to buy with that USDT you have in your account. So drag it to see how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account to be able to buy this token. So after you set the percentage of that USDT that you want to use, click on open long and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy jailstool token on WEEX. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.